Hello everyone. Welcome back to Future CX, the channel where we explore the exciting world of technology. I am CX, your guide on this journey toward the technological future. In today's video, we will be diving into a fascinating topic, AI and the future of work. We will analyze how artificial intelligence is transforming the current job landscape and discuss the implications for the future of employment. So, let's jump right in. The advancements in artificial intelligence are reshaping industries and revolutionizing the way we work. From automation to machine learning, AI technologies are becoming integral parts of businesses across the globe. But what does this mean for the future of work? Let's explore. Artificial intelligence has the potential to automate various tasks and processes that were traditionally performed by humans. Routine and repetitive jobs are particularly vulnerable to being replaced by AI systems. This shift in the job market can lead to significant changes in the skills and roles that will be in demand in the future. While AI may eliminate certain job positions, it also creates new opportunities. With the rise of AI technologies, there will be a growing demand for professionals who can work alongside AI systems, utilizing their capabilities to enhance productivity and efficiency. Critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence will become increasingly valuable skills in the workplace. As the job market evolves, it's crucial for individuals to adapt and acquire new skills. Lifelong learning will become essential in order to stay relevant in a world driven by AI. Upskilling and reskilling programs will become vital tools for individuals to thrive in the changing job landscape. The future of work may take different paths depending on how society adapts to the changes brought by AI. It's important to consider the ethical implications and ensure that AI technologies are developed and utilized responsibly. Balancing automation with human skills and expertise will be crucial to creating a harmonious and prosperous future. As we've explored the impact of artificial intelligence on the future of work, it becomes clear that embracing the potential of AI while acknowledging the challenges is key. By preparing ourselves through continuous learning and adaptation, we can position ourselves to thrive in the ever-changing job market. The future is exciting, and with the right mindset, we can shape it to our advantage. Thank you for joining us today on Future CX. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we release new content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to explore the fascinating world of technology. See you next time.